welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's right here. If you've been here before, I sure appreciate you taking your time and watching this video. Everybody taking your time to watch this video. Have you ever been to Olive Garden or had any of their appetizers? Well, if you've never been to Olive Garden and you ever get a chance to go, there's an appetizer there you should try. And it is called Toasted Ravioli. And man, let me tell you, they are really good. It sounds kind of crazy. It's kind of a deep fried ravioli. Of course, you know, Olive Garden, they're kind of small, but they are really good. And you just dip them in marinara sauce. Anyway, so tonight on the Blackstone, I am going to make some fried or toasted ravioli. We're going to just use store-bought ravioli. Really easy. It's Man Kitchen Recipes. A jar of marinara sauce. But let me tell you, this is so good, so good, so good. If you ever get a chance and you're at Olive Garden, you gotta order it. Anyway, let's go inside and we'll get the ravioli prepared, and then we'll bring them out and get them cooked up. For this toasted ravioli, we're going to need 2 eggs. And this is for the egg wash. Don't leave the shell in there. So, here's 1 egg. Get the other egg. And then we're going to add about 1/4 cup of milk. And then we're going to whisk it up really fast. And then once you get it whipped up, we are going to have some flour, some panko breadcrumbs, the Italian seasoned ones. And then we've got chicken cheese raviolis from the store today. And these are good size, and you're just going to put them in some flour. Dip them in the egg wash. Get them nice and coated. Let them drip off, and then just coat them with the breadcrumbs. Doesn't have to be a heavy coating. Just get a nice, good, light coating on it, and shake off any of the residual. And then put them on your pan. In case you missed it, let's do one more. Flour. Egg wash. And the breadcrumbs. It's that easy. This is Man Kitchen Recipes. It's a little time consuming, but it's that easy. Now, repeat. And you just keep doing it until you get all your raviolis coated. Kind of a little messy job. It's all of your fingers, but hey, there you go. When they're all done, look at that. How beautiful is that? All right, let's get these out to the Blackstone and shallow fry them. First, we're going to add some olive oil. I'm going to put it up here in the right quarter of my grill. It seems to puddle a little bit up there, or actually a little closer. It pools up for the shallow fry, and then we're going to get our raviolis. We're going to add them. Be careful, the oil is hot. And just like that. Simple, simple. I'm going to start with about, I don't know, 7. I think I'm going to do 10 in the first batch. I've got a whole cookie sheet here, so I'm going to get 10 going. And then, you know, as they get done, we'll move it over and then add more. Just kind of check them every now and then, see how they're frying up. See how nice and toasted those are looking. I do gotta slide them down here a little bit. My oil is pulling up a little closer to me. There you go. Look at those. Oh my. Yep. Okay, these are coming out really good. Check that out. And then as they get done, you know, I'm just gonna, on the left side of my griddle, I don't have the burners on. The left 2 burners aren't even on. The right 2 burners I got on a medium heat, medium high. So the oil's about 350 to 400. So I'm gonna smash them down a little bit. Make sure they get nice and crispy all the way around. Just flip them, check them, flip them. When they're done, just move them on over. So they'll stay warm over there. They're not going to cook anymore. The temperature is hardly even over there, maybe 100 degrees, 150 degrees. And just going to add some more in here. We're just going to keep doing this process and get them all done. I'll just let you watch this for a minute. sauce and add some of that to it. Normally, you know, at Olive Garden it's an appetizer, but we made this for dinner. I can tell you they're pretty filling too. Anyway, just put the marinara sauce on there. It's out of my shredded Parmesan, darn it, so I gotta use the powder. It works. That's the Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh my God, they were good. I'm telling you. And I know at the beginning I told you if you get a chance to go to Olive Garden, order them. Forget Olive Garden. Just make them yourself at home. They're easy to do. If you don't have a Blackstone, hey, do it in a pan or in a deep fryer or whatever. You can make them easy. But this is how we shallow fried them on the Blackstone. You can do it. I did it. Anyway, thanks for watching.
We have our different ways.